What's up, guys, and welcome back to Project Z Garage. Today, as you can see, we have a new lens on our Audi Q3's headlight, and we want to protect it, so we ordered some PPF from Laminx. They come pre-cut for your headlights, so we're gonna try to put it on. Honestly, we don't have the best luck, but we're gonna keep trying because this headlight should be the easiest of the headlights we've tried. It's pretty flat and pretty squarish. So first thing you have to do is clean the headlights very well, as best as you can. Light sprinkle of water on the headlights, and they say that you can use the tabs and you can lift and drop it as many times as need be. Should we do the bottom first?
Yeah.
So should I pull this all the way off? Or
No.
No?
Let me get my said side here where I want it to be.
Okay. Use your... Yeah. Should I pull this back off?
No.
Okay.
That's good right there.
And the cool thing is, it comes with all the pieces to put it in. It comes with the squeegee, the bottle to fill with water, and we're using just filtered water. No alcohol or anything like that. I may have put a little too much water on. It's supposed to be a lightness.
You're right, I may have gone a little too
Yeah,
much.
a little too much.
I start pulling off a little more. Pull off a little more. Yeah, you're actually pretty good. Large so long fries.
Well, I was gonna say, just get one large fries.
One long fry.
And this bottom's going too low.
Actually look perfect to me.
Does it?
Yep.
Okay. Try not to touch the film. There's little tabs on it that you can hold on to,
Right,
which I'm going to hold on to. Oh, so you're right, that's not too bad. Could have been worse. Should I pull it, or
What do you mean by pull it?
like, should I pull this back off?
No, not yet. I'd rather we just work this out.
Okay. Well, we got fingering all here.
Sorry. My fingers on?
No, fingering meaning these little bumps.
Oh, okay.
You can put a light spray on the top of the film so you don't scratch it up too much. Same thing, just regular water. Honestly, Al did a really good job on this one.
Why this one was easier? There's nothing in there.
Yeah, he definitely did a lot better job.
Well, we use this to lay it down, right?
Yeah, which was probably the better plan.
Live and learn, right? I mean, honestly, this edge is a little bit too much this way, but
That's fine.
I think we're good here. Look how even they're pretty even here.
I'm fine with that.
Yeah.
We just got to get it to lay good. I think maybe give it a little heat on the top.
Yeah.
To dry
I
out
think
the,
we have to get some of
dry
the water
out.
and then get this edge
Yep.
where we want it to be before we fold it down, right?
Yep.
Because we need to get some water out of this. That looks not bad.
That really does look pretty good. That's the best one so far. We practiced on the other side and that one looks cloudy, but they did say you got to give it a couple of weeks and it should clear up a bit.
That looks not bad. That ain't half bad, right?
What's this, glue? Looks like the glue from the thing.
It's probably the glue from the thing.
This is
because
probably
my
our,
hand probably went over the
This
top.
is probably our best one so far.
I mean, we're gonna have to go around the edges a couple times.
Yeah, took all the water out. So we're just giving a light heat.
I hate that it looks like you see scratches in it, you know, from
well,
like,
the heat's supposed to, once the sunlight gets it, it should heal, I guess, to some degree.
We gotta get these edges good.
Yeah. That looks pretty good, Al. But also, we did pull that the vinyl, the PPF on and off a bunch of times, so the glue looks a little wonky underneath. And we did have a little bit more bubbles. Use your thing. Use your, squeegee.
Just trying to squeegee some of the rest of them, and then dry it off a little bit. Yeah, because I think I got a little bit of glue on my hand.
That's fine.
You know what? I could even think that some of it's from this shit here I'm touching on top from the light itself.
Yeah.
But actually, it don't look bad at all, eh?
It doesn't look bad.
This one looks way better than the other side.
Yeah.
I mean, we got one little thing here, but honestly, I think you could actually get it out.
Yeah, maybe.
Yep, you just got it out. So I think with heat and stuff, I think it needs a little bit more heat, right?
Yeah, probably. That's pretty good. Don't go too much. They said not too much heat.
Oh, I'm sorry.
You can't ask for better than that.
That's decent.
Probably our best one
That's probably
so
the best
far.
one that we put on, right?
Yep, that's the best one we've done.
May I ask a question?
What?
How much was this?
I don't remember.
Okay, because I was thinking maybe if you want to, can we get one side and do it again?
Yeah, we can.
If that's the
Well,
case,
they
because
said-
that
they
actually
said-
came out.
They said give it a couple of weeks. It
Yeah.
should clear up
Yeah.
a bit. Right? Because we did lift it up a bunch of times. Because they do say that you can lift it up and put it down as many times as you need to get to lay right. Just don't put your fingerprints on the thing. Use the tabs.
Yeah. But we did take off the tabs now, so we're kind of locked in on
Yeah,
this side.
I'm gonna leave that side.
But I'm actually more happy with that side.
This is a great. You
Yeah,
did a
that's
great job
way
on
better
this.
on this side.
This side looks really good.
I would say do what we did with adding a little bit more water.
Yeah.
A
The
little bit.
water allowed you to
To
squeegee
it out
more.
nice and smooth, right?
Yeah.
Because we didn't put as much.
Because it didn't stick
oiliness.
right away. That
Yeah.
one was sticking right away.
Yeah. And we kept massaging it to
Yeah.
get the thing out right.
Yep.
And I mean, that was in real time. You see everything that we just did, and this looks excellent. To be honest with you.
Yeah, it does. I'll probably give these a little more heat at the top.
Yeah, it's going to probably need a little bit of heat. Don't overdo it though. But you're right. You probably need some more heat to dry out, right?
Yeah. I'm just trying to press it. I don't want to push it too much because they said you should.
Yeah.
For the next couple of days, if anywhere that it lifts, you should, fix it.
But you could
So-
actually see the glue coming out the edges.
Yeah. So you will need to. It may
attention to
it
this.
may have some bubbles, and you just have to work it out. So, just keep an eye on it.
Yeah, this bottom edge is actually very good.
And there's a little overhang here,
Barely though.
but I think we can use the knife.
Press it down with a knife with your thing.
Yeah, I think we can.
This came out not bad.
Let's get it under. That would be great.
No, not burn myself. It's the glue and the sharpness of the edge. Don't run your fingers around the edge with your bare hand. It will cut your hand.
Alright guys, so this is the one that came out good. We put a little extra water underneath, more than they kind of recommended, but it does look way better because I guess the glue didn't stick so fast. And then I'll show you the one that we kind of screwed up on, but it should hopefully clear up in the sun. There's a lot more inclusions in the
what's
the lens.
It doesn't even look that bad on camera.
Well, you can see it. They're like little water spots, and hopefully when it's in the sun it'll clear up. So we'll see how it goes. But hey, you try, you live and you learn. Doesn't look horrible. I mean, when you look at it from this angle, it doesn't look too bad. But oh well, what are you gonna do? Alright guys, like, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think of this, if you think it's worth doing this, or if you should go to a professional. You know what? I'll put a link down below of where we got it from. Not sponsored, we just tried it. I mean, we did do it on the F10 Beamer, And Al got the fog lights really good. The headlights gave us a hard time because of more curves and stuff. This was a very easy headlight to do per se, compared to the other ones where there's a lot of angles, there's a lot of curves. This is pretty much a rectangle, and as you can see from the other side how well we did. But this side looks really good. So, and you saw how fast it went on. It didn't take us that long to get this side on. So guys, let me know what you think. Like, share, subscribe. We'll catch you in the next video.